is Yvonne. In today's video, I will show you how I prepare peanuts. Most people know how to prepare peanuts, but I'm going to show you how I do prepare peanuts, and I will give you some other ways that you can also prepare peanuts in the description box below. So just check it out. If you already know how I do mine, then check the other ways in the description box below. So let's get started. You need some peanuts. So here are some fresh peanuts that I just bought from the store. They are still very fresh, you can see them, and I'm sure they're going to taste really good. So in this video, I'll just show you how I boil the fresh peanuts. You can also want to boil like dry peanuts, all the same. So when you want to boil them, you can add in some salt, but I'm going to do mine simple. Some people even go ahead and add in some spices. I'll just put down below some of the different ways that you can boil peanuts. Wash the peanuts thoroughly before you cook it. The peanuts, they look clean, but they have been sitting in the store for a while. So you will need to wash them, and you select them before you cook it. Just wash them like so, trying to rub it a little bit. That will assure you any dust or maybe brown left on the peanuts will all be washed out. You select them too. Look at what I'm doing. I'm cleaning them and I'm selecting them, because peanuts at times always have these other peanuts mixed that are not really good. So you just select them and throw away. Now that you are done washing the peanuts, drain out the water. You can go ahead and rinse it once more, and then you cook. Put the pot on the fire and you add in a little bit of water. You can add more water if you want to spice the peanuts up. I mean, adding in extra spices apart from salt. Go ahead and add in the peanuts. I just decided to do it so, but you can actually just wash your peanuts, put them directly in water, and you put them on the stove. But I decided to first wash the peanuts and then add them in the pot separately. Just trying to follow some protocol right there. But it doesn't matter anyway. You can just wash your peanuts, put them in the pot, and that's it. So when you put the peanuts, cover the pot, allow them to cook for like 5 minutes, and then you flip it like so, carefully. After that, cover the pot and cook them again for about another 5 to 6 minutes. Then you take them out and you drain the water. Peanuts don't really take a long time to get ready, so maximum 10-15 minutes. They are ready. It just depends on how you want them. Transfer the peanuts into a large tray. Spread them out. Then you kind of like fan them a little bit. Look at the color. It's changing. So when you fan them, the color is going to change and the peanuts are going to look more brighter and appetizing. You know, just looking at them right now, the peanuts are more brighter than when you took them off the fire. This is just my way. So this step is totally optional. You must not fan them. But I would advise you to try it out. Don't be lazy. If you did enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. You can now go ahead and enjoy your peanuts, or you keep them in the fridge. But peanuts don't really last that long, so the earlier you eat them, the better. Please don't forget to click on the red button down below, and then you ring the bell so that you can always get notified of my new uploads. Thanks again for watching. See you next time. Bye.